Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensa Augustine. In this lesson, we'll be solving this simple A-level mathematics from 2022. So join me as we go through this step by step. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and you've not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe as to the mathematics community. Now let's see the question. We are to express as partial fraction 2x squared plus 3x plus 6 divided by into bracket x plus 1 times x squared plus 4. And hence, we are to integrate from 0 up to 2x squared plus 3x plus 6 divided by into bracket x plus 1 times x squared plus 4 dx. So let's see how we do this in a very simple way. It should be in the form natural log of a root 2 bracket close plus b pi, where a and b are constants to be determined. So let's see how we do this in a very simple way. But remember to like, share, and subscribe, right? If you have any question for me, just send it to my WhatsApp number or through my mail, and we'll look at it. Now let's see. This one we have 2x squared plus 3x plus 6, all divided by x plus 1 times x squared plus 4. So here, this is a linear factor, but this is a quadratic factor which does not factorize. So we take a divided by x plus 1 plus bx plus c divided by x squared plus 4. Wow. So this one is the same as a times x squared plus 4 plus bx plus c times x plus 1. So this will be equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 6 divided by this, and the whole of this divided by this and this. So the denominators will be the same. So let's ignore the denominators, right? Yes. Because here it's going to be times x plus 1, x squared plus 4. And this one also will be x plus 1 times x squared plus 4. So let us ignore the denominators and go straight away. Now, we need to solve for a, b, and c. So a quick one, let's put x equal to 0. The whole of this will be 0, so we have 6 equals 0 plus 4 is 4. So we are going to have 4a, 0 times b will be 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So plus c, because 1 times c is c. Let's name this equation 1. Let's put x equal to negative 1, because negative 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 times all these will be 0. Then if I put negative 1 here, negative 1 squared is positive 1 times 2 is 2. Negative 1 times 3 is minus 3 plus 6. And this will give us 5 equals negative 1 squared is positive 1 plus 4, 5 times a. 5a, negative 1 plus 1 is 0 times the whole of this will be 0. So a will be 1 if we divide by 5. Now, if we put 1 here for a, 4 times 1 is 4. We take 4 from 6 to get 2. So c will be 2. Now, let us put x equal to 1 into the equation. If we put x equal to 1, here will be 2 plus 3 plus 6. And that will be 11. Wow. And 1 square is 1 plus 4 is 5. So we have 5a. B times 1 is b plus c. So we have plus b plus c. And c is what? 2. So let's put the 2 there. And here 5a, a is 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. Let's go quickly. Here is times 2. Because 1 plus 2 is 2. Sorry, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, we take 5 from 11 to get 6 and divide by 2 to get here to be 3 equals b plus 2. We take 2 from 3 to get 1 equals b. Wow, that is it. So you can go through it step by step to reach here. So this one can now be written as 1, b is 1, so 1 times x is x, and c is 2. So that is the partial fraction representation of this. Now, we are to integrate this from 0 up to 2, which simply means that we are to integrate this because this is the same as that. So we take the integral from 0 up to 2 of this, which is the same as what we have here. So we take 1 on x plus 1 plus x on x squared plus 4 plus 2 on x squared plus 4. Wow. Dx. You see that here we can split this to x on x squared plus 4 and 2 on x squared plus 4 because they have the same denominator. So if you want to go back, just add the numerators to go back here for simple integration. Now, if we integrate this, we just get natural log of x plus 1. Very simple. Yeah. Now, what about this one? We take the integral x divided by x squared plus 4 dx. If we let u equals x squared plus 4, then we have du equals 2x dx and du on 2x equals dx. So if we put dx into this, we're having the integral x on u times du on 2x. X will cancel x. We can factorize 1 on 2 out to get 1 on 2, the integral 1 on u, which is equal to half of ln of u. And what is u? U is x squared plus 4. So we put here x squared plus 4 in a very simple way. So here will be plus half of ln of x squared plus 4 in a very simple way. So it has left with this one. Let us do that one in a very simple way. If we consider this one, 2 is a constant, so we can write it as 2 integral 1 on x squared. 4 can also be written as 2 squared dx. And this is a standard integral. Remember, if you have the integral of 1 on a squared plus u squared du, then it is 1 on a times the arctangent or tangent inverse of a on u, right? Oh, sorry, u on a. u on a in a very simple way. So here, this one is going to give us plus 1 on 2. Sorry, this is 2. We have a constant 2 there. This 2 times 1 on a is 1 on 2. So we pick here 1 on 2 times tangent inverse of x on 2. Then we bring the limit from 0 up to 2. Wow. I think we are almost done with that. That's correct. So let's put in the values. If we put in 2 here, we are going to have ln of 3 plus half of ln of 8. 2 squared is 4 plus 4, 8. 2 cancel 2, so we have plus tangent inverse of 1. For 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then we have minus, if we put in 0, we are going to have ln of 1. If we put in 0, we have plus half of ln of 4. And if we put in 0 here, we have plus tangent inverse of 0. Wow. I hope you are enjoying the lesson. Now what do we do? Here, we are going to have ln of 3 plus ln of 8 power half, which is the same as square root of 8. And what is square root of 8? That is 2 root 2. Look at this. Square root of 8 is square root of 4 times square root of 2. So this gives 2 root 2. If you take it, it will become power from the laws of in this logarithm, right? Okay. So half 8 power half is the same as square root of 8, which is 2 root 2. Plus this one 2. Oh no, we have not reached it. We are here. Tangent inverse of 1 is pi on 4. That is in radians, but in degrees is 45. So we take this one as plus pi on 4 minus ln of 1 is 0 plus this one to send this one here to become power. So that one also give us ln of 2. Because if you take this one, square root of 4 will give us 2. And tangent inverse of 0 is also 0. Wow. What? Okay. So this is 0, 0, ln of 2. So I can clean this one off and make it minus ln of 2. So minus ln of 2. And a very simple way. So what do? Here we have 2 here and we have 3 here. So we can have ln of 3 on 2. Wow. Plus ln of 2 root 2 plus pi on 2. And this one will give us, adding, we multiply 3 on 2 by this. That will give us ln of 3 on 2 times this 2, cancel this 2. So we have 3 root 2 plus half of pi. And I think this solves the question. So here, wow, it's pi on 4, right? Wow. It's pi on 4. 45 is pi on 4. So here A is 3 and B is 1 on 4. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. That's very great. I didn't go through the question first before solving it. So that is the solution. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments.